good day, Ma'am Annabelle. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Annabelle C. Fernandez. I'm 49 years old. I'm married. I have four children. I'm here in Philippines. I have four brothers and four sisters.
All right, thank you. Please tell me about your educational background.
I am high school graduate.
All right, thank you. Then how would you describe yourself?
I am honest, friendly. I am I'm hardworking, loyal, and honest.
All right. Then why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to help my family, ma'am.
All right. Then do you have any work experience abroad?
In Saudi Arabia, ma'am.
All right. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
So you work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Please indicate your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper in Saudi.
I'm caring the child, ma'am. I'm cleaning the house. I'm wash the bathroom. And I'm washing the clothes.
All right, thank you. Then are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
I'll come and talk to them in a good way.
All right. Then how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
Mm. I will see I will check the baby, the temperature. I will change the diaper, and I will feed. Is She is hungry?
All right. Then what will you do if you become homesick?
Mm. I will self busy and hardworking.
All right. Then how do you describe your cooking skills?
I will cook Filipino food, adobo, sinigang.
All right. So, are you willing to learn new dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes.
Right? Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past? Are you
No,
willing
ma'am.
to share room with the children or elderly persons?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep at late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Then for the last question, what is your final message to your future employer?
Hello, ma'am. If you choose me, ma'am, I will do my work and I will do my best and I willing to learn. I'm willing to learn how the employer willing to learn employer rules, and I'm I'll finish my contract. And thank you, ma'am.